So here's our progress. We're building a bread oven. So Chloe is churning up some, cutting out some clay. We're wetting it because it's really dry in this area, and then we're mixing it with basically dry grass to give it a bit more kind of fabric, a bit more structure. Jason's built the base of the oven and put some willow supports in, and we're just building that up. So this is going to be like a dome, so it's just going to be completely covered over just with a door. There's no chimney on this, it's not a kiln, it's an oven, because we're hoping to do bread, and because we're Viking pizza, obviously, because pizza is an obvious choice for bread ovens. So stone baked pizza, that's very Viking food, obviously.
They had the ingredients.
They had the ingredients. No, what we're actually going to do is just try and basically just bake some Viking style kind of flatbreads. So they'll come out a bit like a naan, or what's that other flatbread? What's pita? There we go. That's the one I was looking for. So it'll probably come out like that. It won't be particularly airy. I don't think it'll rise because we won't be using yeast, things like that. But hopefully we'll put some photos up later and show you the progress for the day. We're hoping to get it done by the end of the day, so it can all dry out and we can fire it for our Living History weekend next week, where we're going to be doing loads of things. Obviously we're going to be hopefully baking bread, but we're going to use some of this clay for pottery, and we've got loads of other stuff. We're going to do some dyeing some fabrics. We're going to be doing some military based stuff, looking at sort of Viking weaponry and shield walls and loads of other crafts, sewing and weaving and spinning, and we'll keep you posted on it, I think. So yeah, check back onto our page later on and you'll see the photos from progress for the day. Have a nice day.